Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Lou with iCritique. So today I am doing an in-depth review of the Truffle Clarity Jet Set case in the small, and it's in the blush by Truffle. Width is about 7.5, height is about 2 inches, and the depth is about 5.25, and it is gold plated on both sides, you can see. And Saffiano trimming. This is a Saffiano trimming right here, which is all around. So this cost on the website is about 98 bucks. That's how much I paid for it. As a new customer, I did get 10% off initially. It is TSA approved 311 liquids rule. It's a pretty case. It lays flat. I do like this case a lot, except for a couple of things. I've noticed that from opening it and closing and opening it, I'm gonna do a close-up. As you can see that it's kind of peeling right here. You can see the inside of that edge there. It's peeling and it's showing the true color. Otherwise, the zippers are still intact, no holes. This is it's thicker than plastic. This is still very nice. And from time to time, when it's full, and like I say, you can pack a punch in this. When this case is full, I do have a hard time going around that corner, as well as this one here. It gets a little stuck, but that's only when it's full. Otherwise, it's a very pretty case. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write them down below and I'll just try to answer you accordingly or respond accordingly. Until next time, God bless. You guys relax, relate, and release.